When off the grid, power is essential, and the 2026 Passport has you covered. There's a two-pronged standard electrical outlet on the back of the center console, and there's a second outlet in the cargo area. The power rating is 150 watts, split between both outlets, and it's a great feature when camping or tailgating. Both outlets operate using a twist to unlock function. The outlets are available when the engine is running or in accessory mode. To enter accessory mode, press the start button without pressing on the brake. You can even plug in a laptop and a small refrigerated cooler at the same time. Whatever your electrical needs are, the 2026 Passport has you covered.